Alright, g'day. So my seatbelt, lent the car out, baby seat was put in here, seatbelt stopped working. Now if there's anything like the middle one, which I assume it would be, I can get it going again, can fix it up again. So you can see it's not retracting. Now this piece here just clips away, so you gotta just pull this side, what do you want to call that, like arm cushion. Just pull that aside when you unplug it, gotta undo the rubber, just pulls away, easy days. And just get that out of my way a little bit. Now, if I work this mechanism, just gotta get the seatbelt to come all the way out. I was going to show you while it's in the car because I actually already looked at it and I got it to function for a minute, and I thought, well, before I fix it I'll make a video, but it doesn't want to play now. I'll get the correct fitting for this, we'll take it out. So it's a T50 fitting that you want there. Just going to see if I can get this out without removing this. Okay, yeah, with great difficulty I could. I'm going to need a 12mm, take that off. The grommet's not on that side there. Window net. Alright, we'll take this out. Guess it'll give me a chance to look at those speakers too. I put them in, what was it, probably 10 years ago. I'll put that back on in the middle. Pull this forward. Another grommet there. Still look really good. Okay, now I've got easy access to that beltway. Might need an extension, let's see. Give you a bit of a closer look at what I'm doing here. I can't hold the camera like this and work at the same time, but maybe I can put the camera, leave the camera in here a little bit so it's a little bit closer. Okay. Alright, I just showed the last bit of the footage there. That actually took quite a while to undo that. So the belt just comes out like that. And I can take this part here off. So I don't want that on the belt, so it's less mucking around. Never see if we can get this to function at all. I'll get it working in a minute. Anyway, while I'm here, I might as well show you. So this part of the belt here, see how there's no plastic around it? It's just like that. There's no problems with it being like that, so I don't know why they put this soft plastic around it, because it just breaks and makes things hard. But yeah, so basically you could take this video to do this video as well, use this video. So there's the bolt there, take that seat belt out. So this video is basically about the rear seat belts, and the other side will be the same as this side here. So I'll get this to the end and I'll show you the plastic that I'll break away. Okay, so you see this here, see how it's all breaking away? So I just got to get that away from there. Because what happens is, when this breaks, the sides of this actually jams up around here and then stops the belt from working. Now I've got that gone, removed rather. Now the belt's going to work. I'll chuck it back in. Okay, so now I just need to tighten that back up, and we can put this back together. You know, it'd be nice. You've got a great big hole here for a subby. It'd be nice if there was a great big hole in this as well for a subby. I actually have one that I could put in, but I don't really want to go drilling a hole in that there. Anyway, so that's the belt in. See, it works perfect now. Just because of that plastic. But my rear dismissers haven't worked for a long time, so I might as well fix that while I'm here. And just to cover it, I'll show you what a good side looks like. So you see the I've got bad cornering here, but see how the plastic's not broken on this side yet? It will one day, but at the moment I'll just leave it alone. I'm not going to try and break it to get it off. I'll just wait until it's broken and then I'll take it away. We've put the parcel shelf back in. You've got to have the sides off. Now, I put the sides back in first, and then that's when I came across my challenge. I realised I had to take the sides back out so I could put the parcel shelf back in. When you put the sides back in, there's a little clip part down the bottom here. You gotta, there's a little clip part down the bottom here. You're gonna make sure that goes into that hole there first. Otherwise, again, you're just gonna be mucking around, not knowing why she won't go in, because you're just gonna get that little bit in down there first. And there you go, seatbelt's back in and functional. Alright, and just in case you're wondering why this one's grey and the original ones are black, is because this one here was fraying, so it needed to be replaced. And this came out of my brother's car. I can't remember if it was an EL or an EF, but he had a parts car, and that's what this came out of. And that's working perfect. The repair on this, I'd say it's probably across board of all Falcons. BA and later are probably exactly the same. Just when it starts to not work anymore, it's the plastic that breaks. I just remove that and job's done. Anyway, that's it guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.